Hey Cliff,
What's up?
the other day I was at Starbucks and I walked out to my car. I had cameras, paparazzi everywhere, man. It was uncalled for.
The same thing happened to me at Walmart. Some guy asked me if I was Forklift from those deconstruction videos.
I was out jogging through my neighborhood and some guy asked me to sign his cooler. I did because it was a Coleman.
Yeah, I miss those videos.
Lunchtime, going on break. Hey Cliff, we're back.
We're gonna do a run through, guys.
Well, welcome back.
This is dry, then we'll throw a little sauce on it later.
We used to watch The Hills or Laguna Beach. Season 1 was good. Here in season 2, and Lauren and, well, we already know Lauren and Steven broke up. Who cares?